These are all my babies. These are my older guys. That is Stumpy. She is handicapped. And that is her mate, the Professor. And he is absolutely beautiful. And these are some of my extra budgies that cannot go outside because it is too cold right now. They're not acclimated. This is the old guy. We think he is around 13 years old. He is, you can tell he's really old by his stance. And that is Big Bird, her baby bird, and he is 12 years old. So he's inside because it's too cold. And this is little Rosie, and she is one of the preciousest little birds that I've ever had. She's a Rosie Bork. And there is my blue parrotlet. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous bird. And this is her mate, his mate. She's sitting on eggs that are probably infertile. So, but this is my precious, this is Jar Jar, and I love him, yes I do, he's my baby.